Hi, let's start setting up your brand new Meshtastic device as a paragliding tracker. So go to paratracker.in. First step we have already done, we have a device in hand. Second step is also done, I have Meshtastic app installed. Now I have to go to the tracker configuration. So download the configuration you need from our tracker. Give a short name which is 4 character and a long name to identify your device with and generate your config. That config you will download in your download folder, and once you have downloaded that, we go and set up the device. Next we do is open this Meshtastic app, and the last tab there is a plus button there to add a new device. You will pair it with Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth has to be enabled. It will ask you for a pin which will show up on the screen of your device. Use that. So this is a factory setting, there is nothing in it. The device has been flashed with the latest firmware. So the name will not be set and the region will also be unset. So we will install the configuration we have downloaded from the radio configuration. At the bottom there is import configuration. Download, it's in the download folder. Use that configuration and save. So everything we require for this device to function as a tracker is configured in the configuration which you have downloaded. So once you put that configuration, your device is rebooting, and after that device starts, everything is almost done. So we pair that device again, it's still rebooting. And after the reboot is complete, we will see the name which we have selected and the region set to India. If you're flying anywhere else, you have to change the region setting there. And in the radio configuration, there is a Bluetooth setting. So pin is set to 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can change this pin to whatever you need. Don't forget the pin, otherwise you won't be able to pair it again till you reset it back to default. After doing this, you have to go back to our tracker. The device which you just configured should show up like this on your screen. And if you go to show details, you will see FlyXC ID over there. So copy this link and open FlyXC device configuration. At the bottom there is a sign in with Google. Sign in with your Google account, and at the very bottom there is a Beercom, which is a device network which we are using. At the UUID there, paste the UUID which we copied here, and once you are done, you can save it. There is a save button at the bottom corner. Once you save that, after some time, after 15 minutes, your device will show up on FlyXC also. So any device which we are using here, if you don't put it on FlyXC, it will not show up on FlyXC map, but it will still show up on our tracker, which is live.paratracker.in. This is our tracker. It will show up here anyway. All the devices which are currently available in this area, they are marked in green. and they will show up like this. Apart from this, when you go to Meshtastic app, the first tab is for messaging. The long fast is the channel, a default channel where you can send text and it goes to everybody in the group. So all the devices in this area will get your text, and not just that, the same text will also appear on Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel for India Meshtastic community. In there is a mesh text. So all of them, they show up like this, all the messages you send, and the message also show up on our tracker. We need to refresh this page to see the latest data. Hi from Beer was the message I sent 51 seconds ago. And also if you go and see on FlyXC, the bubble will show up like this and your message will show up on the map there also. In the Meshtastic app, we have this group messaging. We have all the devices which are available right now. You can send a direct message to any of them if you like. You can just click on it and there is a direct message button over there. You can send a message to any device. All the devices available in the area show up on the map like this. And all the configuration is here. So if you are not flying at Beer, one of the devices, it needs to be connected to the internet, or just the phone which is connected to the internet, and there is a MQTT. All you have to do is just enable this and send. The proxy to client enabled, that tells the device to use the phone mobile internet to send the data onto our tracking maps. That's about it. Go to our website, paratracker.in. In the menu, you will find the live tracker. You will find our mesh map. There is a wiki. We have Telegram groups. All of that is detailed over here. And all of this is shown here in text form. And the same video will be available on the website also. And if you want to find out more about this, there is a longer video which shows what we are doing here. And a lot of paragliding schools have supported this project. They've donated on our Millap, and there are 100 other people who have contributed to this project. Thank you very much.